So hello everyone, let's talk a bit about Power BI, the powerful engine behind the data visualization, and this is the primary tool which we will be using for our projects. So the agenda of this video is quite simple. We will be talking a bit about Power BI, why Power BI is used for our data visualization projects, and what is the difference between MS Excel and Power BI. Power BI is a standalone Microsoft Business Intelligence product which includes both desktop and web-based application for loading, modeling and visualizing data. The desktop application is where you actually use and create reports using the vast features of Power BI, and web-based application is the one which you can use to share these reports or to present these reports. This is Gartner's Magic Quadrant, and we know that Gartner is a firm which do intensive research in various platforms and tell us who are the leaders, who are the challengers, who are the visionaries, and you can easily see that Microsoft is leading with its data visualization tool, Power BI. This is the Magic Quadrant for analytics and business intelligence platform, and Microsoft Power BI is a leading tool in BI platform. So why Power BI? Why are we using Power BI? It's very simple. You can connect to various data sources like text files, like Excel, CSVs, SQL, and when you will actually go through the tool, you will see that there are numerous number of data sources through which you can connect. You can transform your data with just simple clicks or simple query languages. You can analyze many millions of rows of data by using these visualizations, which are quite simple to get hands-on. You can build relationship models to blend data from multiple sources. So what are these relationships models? For example, you have data from your purchase department and your sales department. You can actually use and link both these data properly through a product ID, which will be available on both sales and purchase data. You can define or create calculated columns which can further fine-tune your analysis by using data analysis expression or DEX. So this is the primary language of Power BI, but not to worry, you don't have to learn any language here. It's quite simple, and it is mostly similar to the one which we use in Excel to create calculated columns or different columns. You can visualize and publish your reports which are interactive in nature. You can drill them up, you can drill them down, you can use one chart to define the other chart and see the changes across various other charts when you click on one particular feature of a chart. So how is Excel different from Power BI? Excel is a great tool to analyze data. You can do data modeling in it, you can do data shaping in it through pivot tables, through pivot charts, but where Power BI stands out is basically the visualization and how easy it is to create those visualizations. You don't have to select millions of rows or columns. You can simply just drag and drop. You can select the kind of chart you want, and there are numerous number of charts which are not available on Excel. You can also transform data with just right click, and this is the feature which Excel probably lacks or needs a certain level of technicality to actually solve those problems. You can create custom visualizations which are easy to create a dashboard wherein you can select one part of a data table or one part of a data visualization, and you can get a great insight through other bars. You can publish and collaborate the reports. This is also one of the features where Power BI stands out, because you can actually share these reports and dashboards with anybody. You don't have to put them in an email or anything. You can share them on web through powerbi.com, and we will later on explore that how easy it is to share those reports and dashboards. So that's it for today. Thank you very much. Do let me know if in case you have any clarifications.